Yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Ozzy and I'm back again with another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing a gaming style chair that you can get on Amazon right now. Spoiler alert, it's this chair right here. Let's get into the video. Yeah!
Do-do-do, 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 Ozzy's tech and stuff, yeah.
Alright, so before we get started with the review process of this chair, let's go ahead and show you a mini unboxing and a build montage that I sped up so that you don't have to sit there for 30 minutes. Alright, check this out. Alright guys, and here is the package that I received. It's actually pretty heavy, so there's a lot of stuff in there. And the first thing I notice here is that it says do not cut leather seating surface. So what you have to do is be very careful in this. I haven't yet, but I will put the camera down, make sure that I cut it correctly and safely so I'm not cutting the seat. And I'll show you guys what's inside the box right now. And with the power of editing, I have opened the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's exactly it looks like. All right. So we do have the neck rest or neck pillow. We have one of the pieces that goes on the bottom here. And then we have the armrest and all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna go ahead and take all the pieces out of there, place them on the floor, and I'm gonna do a time-lapse video of the build. So you guys don't have to see a 30-minute build of a chair. So hope you guys enjoy it, and I will give you a review afterwards.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And that's where my camera decided to crap out on me. Actually, it was my memory card. It said that it was full. Not to worry, I'll finish the montage for you guys. Real quick, close your eyes. I struggled a bit to build the chair, but then eventually I finished building it and it was glorious. Now open your eyes. Cool build time lapse, huh? Give me credit for that. Like I mentioned in the intro, guys, this is a affordable gaming chair that you can purchase on Amazon, but due to the human malware situation we're facing right now, all these chair companies are raising their price, which is not cool. But this one was around $150 here in the US. So just keep in mind that the prices are inflated a little bit, but if you really want to get a new chair, now's the time because what we're going through in the world. All right, some of you might be asking, why a gaming chair? There's a few reasons why I decided to go with this gaming style chair that's right here is, well, gaming style chairs are usually less expensive than the office type chairs. A really good office mesh chair can, cost you anywhere around $600 to $1,000. Some of the really good ones are like around $1,500 to $2,000 just for a chair. That's crazy. Also, sometimes these gaming style chairs come with a few features that you won't get in any office chair that you can purchase. If they do come with these features, you'll be paying a premium for them. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the review of this chair, and let's start off with the positives that this chair has. And mind you, this chair has a lot of positives with a few negatives, but let's go ahead and jump into the positives. Number one on my list is the looks of the chair. This chair actually looks really cool. It's a real aesthetically pleasing chair. And if you're a streamer or you do a lot of video, this chair will actually look pretty cool. It does have this fake leather with fake carbon fiber, this two-tone finish to it that actually looks pretty cool. These chairs do come in a variety of colors, but I decided to go with the all black look just because it looks a little bit better in my opinion. If I would have gone with a different color scheme, I would have went with the black and white one to fit my black and white theme that I have behind me on my computer desk. All right, so now it's on to my second pro, is the comfort. This chair here is leaps and bounds more comfortable than my last chair. The last chair that I got was about a $50 or $60 chair, I think off eBay. It's a racing style gaming chair, but it got really bad. It was not comfortable at all. And working from home became a real pain in my back, literally, because my back would be hurting sitting on that chair for 8 hours, 9 hours out of the day. As soon as I got this chair, I immediately felt the instant upgrade in comfort, and it's leaps and bounds. Like I said, it's so much more comfortable than my last chair. Which kind of goes into my third pro that we have at the moment, is that it comes with a neck pillow and a lumbar support pillow. The lumbar support pillow doubles as a massager. I just wouldn't recommend it because it's not very good. But if you do like to have some pulsating massage on your lumbar support, it's a good option. It's just not the best massager out there. I personally used it once and never again, and I just threw the cable in one of my drawers. So I really just use it as a lumbar support, which by the way is very comfortable. It can be adjusted height-wise. It's actually really good in finding the perfect spot to support your lumbar. Another pro that this chair has is that it can be laid down almost flat at about this much of an angle. I'm not a mathematician, but that much of an angle. It can't go completely flat, but it gets pretty damn close. So I actually like that when I'm taking breaks, when I would just want to sit back and just relax for a minute or two in between meetings, or if I'm gaming and I just want to relax in between matches, I can just do that the way that the back actually reclines back. To go alongside the back reclining almost flat is the best feature that I found this chair to have, is that it has a footrest. Now, when I'm gaming on, Call of Duty or anything like that on my PS4, and I just want to relax, I don't want to be upright on a keyboard, mouse and keyboard, I can lay it down, to my liking, and then I can bring out the footrest and rest my feet on there. My last gaming chair, I had to put my feet on a small garbage can, which wasn't the most ideal thing to do. But nonetheless, I wanted something to have a footrest so I can just relax. And let me tell you guys, now I want all my chairs to have a footrest. I use this thing so much. It's awesome. All right, so that's some of the pros that the chair has, which are really, really good. Let's just get into some of the cons or the negatives that I found with this chair. So the first negative, and you will feel it right away, is the armrest. The armrests are stationary. They're not going anywhere. They're held on by 2 bolts on each armrest, and they basically don't move at all. So if you're someone that likes the armrest to go up and down, in and out, tilt and all that stuff, this chair does not have it. And if this is a game breaker for you or a deal breaker for you, then I do not recommend it because of that. With that being said, the plastic on the armrest itself is not the most comfortable. I did not find a huge deal. Actually, my arms are relatively comfortable most of the time. I do wish that they were a little bit softer material. They're kind of like a hard plastic, but it's not a huge deal for me, not a game breaker at all. The other con that I found that can be a big deal for some people is that the fake leather does get a little hot. If you're someone that tends to sweat a lot when you game, or when you're just on a chair itself, or right now in the summer where I'm from, where it's like 97 degrees outside and it can get pretty hot, that's not the best and most comfortable chair to sit in while we have this heat. Luckily for me, I have a fan right next to me, so I turn that on during the day and it helps keep me cool. But if you don't, or if you're someone that sweats a lot, this chair might not be for you. The neck pillow that's included, the lumbar support, and the footrest, or all of this type of fake leather and carbon fiber material, and it can get a little hot. Sometimes I do feel the neck pillow getting stuck on my neck, and I have to kind of like pry it off. So it's not the best and most comfortable feeling in the world, but it's not like I mentioned, it's not a huge deal for me since I have a fan right next to me at all times. Another con that I mentioned before is the massager that comes with the chair in the lumbar support pillow. It's not the greatest. It's one speed. It's really loud, and it's just not the greatest. It just pulsates, vibrates a little bit, but like I said, used it once and I was done. But great lumbar support pillow though. And the final con that I found that's not a big deal for me is that it can't lay completely flat. Now I do know that some people want these chairs to lay all the way flat, even, you know, farther down than flat. But this chair cannot do it. If that's a huge deal for you, which I don't imagine it is, then this chair is maybe not for you. One of the last cons that I found that my old chair had, but this one doesn't, is the chair can't actually tilt back and forth. So if you're someone that likes to rock in your chair or kind of have it like loose and just kind of have a little bit of movement to your chair, this chair is not for you. There is a HOMALL chair version that does have that, but does not come with the footrest. I was debating whether to buy that one or this one with the footrest. I ultimately went with the one with the footrest, and I don't regret it at all. So if you're someone that wants that tilt feature, maybe look into that one, that HOMALL gaming chair, or they have different other companies that make chairs as well that can tilt back and forth. So overall, I would recommend this chair if you're someone that's looking to buy a new chair, doesn't want to break the bank, wants something that looks cool and stylish, that you can purchase on Amazon. It's great for working at home like I use it for. It's great for gaming. It's great for productivity. It's just an overall really comfortable chair. I don't think you'll regret buying this chair unless you're someone that really has issues with the negatives of this chair. So if you do, look elsewhere, but I'm recommending this chair. All right, guys, if you found this video helpful, help me out with a like, as it helps this channel a lot. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to this channel for more videos like this in the future. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.